Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be cooking delicious recipe of Mattar Paneer. Yes, that's right, Mattar Paneer, which is a favorite amongst vegetarians. Succulent pieces of paneer with peas, delicious gravy sauce, which we'll be going through step by step. So make sure to watch to the end and enjoy this lovely recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be updated with any new recipes that I upload, and be sure to share with your friends and family. And also, once you've made this recipe, drop me a comment, let me know how it goes. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves. Here I've used 1 chilli to keep it slightly mild, but if you want something a bit more hot, then go for it, add more chilies. Some ginger and some tomatoes. So here you can see I've got all the preparation with the paneer as well. So I've chopped the tomatoes, got the chilies, got the lovely onions chopped up there. I've used red, you can use white onion, got the garlic and the paneer, and of course the ginger as well. I chopped the tomatoes into quarters. Before I actually put them into the pot, I cut them further. So this just helps to cook them down. I've diced the paneer pieces up so you can see the kind of size that I've used here. You can chop them further into smaller pieces if you wish. I find that this is just the right size. So I'll get a saucepan ready with boiling water, and then into that saucepan I'll put the pieces of paneer. So what will happen is while we're cooking the gravy, the paneer pieces can actually start cooking. You could toss them in a bit of oil, but I just prefer curry dishes to have them boiling so they can cook through. The paneer pieces will be cooking for about 30 minutes. So while those delicious succulent pieces of paneer are cooking, in a pan I'll put some hot oil, some vegetable oil. I've added some asafetida, which is the onion and garlic substitute. In our recipe we have got onion and garlic anyway, but this just adds the flavour even more. So now we're ready to go in and add the chilies, add the garlic and the ginger. We'll give this a mix around so it will saute really nicely. Just let that cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'd say we're ready to go in and add those lovely red onions. So cook all those lovely ingredients down until the onions start to caramelize slightly. So I'd give it about 15-20 minutes just to cook all those delicious ingredients down. Stage we're ready to add the chopped tomatoes. We'll give that a mix around, maybe add a bit of salt as well to help it kind of sweat and really cook nicely and bring out the sweetness of the tomatoes. So we'll cook this down for a further 10-15 minutes. You can see here that the tomatoes have got to a really nice mushy consistency, and that's what we want. That indicates that we're ready to almost bring it off the heat now. So I'll turn off the heat and then let the ingredients cool. I'll then transfer the ingredients to a blender, and when they've been blended down, then we'll use it later on. Next step for us is to get a clean pan and add some oil. Here I'm adding some vegetable oil. I'm adding some whole jeera or whole cumin seeds. I'll then go in and add some turmeric, which is yellow in colour, some paprika, which is red in colour, and maybe the world's smallest piece of cinnamon, as you'll see. You could add chili powder here. Because I've added the chili itself, I haven't added chili powder, but if you wish for more kind of heat, then go for it. I've also added a bit of jeera powder. No particular reason for a small piece of cinnamon. You can add a larger piece if you want to. Mix that around nicely. You can see it's got a nice velvety consistency. Let the spices cook down for a few minutes and then we'll be ready to go in and add more ingredients. You could also add a bay leaf at this stage if you desire. So I'd say that we're ready to go in now and add the blended gravy. So as you can see here, the ingredients from earlier were cooled down. I blended them. And now we're adding them to our heated spicy oil. So give that a good mix around. I'm just adding a tad bit of tomato puree. This will just lift the flavour even more and add more richness to our delicious gravy. So cook the gravy down for about 10 minutes. Then we'll be ready to add our paneer and our matar, or the peas. Here I'm just adding some water, but not any water. What I've done is use the container that we use to blend the ingredients for the gravy, swiveled it around and then put it back in the pot so we don't lose any of that delicious flavour. See our Mattar Paneer gravy bubbling away there beautifully. Yes, you heard correctly, the cheering is for the matar, or the peas that we've added to the pot. So give that a good mix around. You can see the rich colours there, the green against the beautiful orange. So now I'm going in with a few pinches of salt. You can add the salt as per your taste, so you can add less or more according to your preference. I'm adding some ground black pepper here just to add a slight bit of heat to our dish. I'm also adding some kasuri methi here, just rubbing it between the palms so that it crumbles into smaller pieces as it's dry. Not forgetting our key ingredient here, which is garam masala. I've just added a little bit, and this is towards the end of the cooking, just to add to the flavours that we already have in our beautiful Mattar Paneer. This dish is certainly a bowl of soul. It's pure warming comfort food and you'll love it. We're ready to add our key ingredient here, which is the delicious paneer. So in we go with the succulent cubes of gorgeous paneer. If you love paneer and you're a fan of paneer, then give this video a thumbs up. So I'm just carefully coating all the pieces of paneer here, just taking the spoon right round and just ensuring not to break too many pieces of paneer. They're really soft and moist and delicious, so just covering the gravy all over the pieces of paneer. 5 or 10 minutes of cooking and you're ready to plate up. If you like this recipe and if you want more recipes like this, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with all your friends and family. And until the next time, see you soon.